Well, hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you again today. And we have a unique and exciting unboxing video today. What I have here is 20 vinyl records off of eBay. Now, this is not an average set because this is a random lot of 20 records that I ordered from a seller last week. And I don't have any clue what is in here. They gave me an idea of genre, and that is it. There is no specific artist or album information that was given. It's just they have a huge collection in their inventory, and so they pick 20 random albums, and they ship them out to you. Now, I got all 20 of these for $23 shipped. Now, if you know anything about vinyl, that is very cheap these days. To pay just over $1 per vinyl album is so cheap. So what I figure is if I even get 4 or 5 decent albums out of this set at around $5 each, I am still doing very well. And hopefully there's more, but we will see as we go through this. I think a lot of it's going to be jazz. That seemed to be the bulk of their collection, but who knows? We'll see. I'm going to bring you along with me on this journey, and I will go ahead and open this up, and I will show you each album. I will try to go through this quickly. So before we waste any more time, let's get into it. Now, I did cut this box already just to save time, but I have not looked at any of them yet. Okay, just a receipt. So first we have here Ace No Strings, and this one looks like it is sealed. I don't know if this is re-shrink wrapped or if it is factory sealed, but nonetheless, it's shrink wrapped now. I actually wasn't expecting that these would be shrink wrapped. Here we have David, I think it's Cedar. The hype sticker is covering up the rest of the word there. This one has shrink wrap on it, but it is unfortunately opened. Here we have Leo Schneider, kind of a funky psychedelic cover there. This one's called Rockabye Your Baby. I'm not seeing an artist on there. If you do, please let me know in the comments below, but it looks like a cool guitar album. John West, not heard of this gentleman either. There you see on the hype sticker, this is a DJ copy, not for resale. And also, unfortunately, a corner is cut out right there. I'm not sure what's up with that. It looks like it was intentional, so it may have to do with something for storage. I'm not sure, but this album cover is not in the best shape. We'll have to put the album on and see what condition it is in. This one's called Hour 11 Hollywood 101. Don't know anything about it. It is shrink wrapped, so if I want to resell it, that's cool. We have a compilation album here called Yesterday's Goodies. If you see here, you can pause whatever you want to do in the track listing. I personally recognize very few of these names on these tracks. I recognize the songs, but not the artists. That's kind of interesting. I don't know what's up with that, but this one is not sealed. No, I'll give it a listen. Siva. No, never heard of it. Peaches and Herbs. You got a couple on the cover there, a little bit awkward. Channel. Disco Dynamics. Shame, shame, shame. You see this one is still sealed in the shrink wrap. This might be a fun one. King of Hearts, close but no guitar. Getting kind of 80s vibe off of this cover. Got an Andy Williams, looks like a compilation set here. There's 2 records in here, so this could be some good stuff. I do like Andy Williams. It's actually the first artist I've recognized. Volunteers. I think I recognize this band name. Not 100% sure, but it is shrink wrap, so that's nice. Lonnie Youngblood. Again, I think I recognize that name. Not 100%, but it is shrink wrapped. Thelma, Hot Neon, maybe some sort of 70s or maybe 80s, probably 70s disco. Not heard of this artist. Cy Coleman, if my friends could see me now. Again, don't recognize it. Magic Music from Faraway Places. Burt Kempart. Don't really recognize this. It says orchestra music, so it might be kind of cool. I do like orchestra music. I mean, it depends on the type of music. Traces, the Royal Blue. This one's, I'm going to say, semi-sealed. You can see it's coming off there. We'll call it sealed, but in questionable condition. Here we have the Princeton Tiger Tones, When Day Is Done. Again, not heard of this one. Could be good, not sure. Well, I would say out of 20 albums, I recognize about 3 of the artists and none of the albums. So that may end up being a bust. Just because I don't recognize them does not mean that they are good or bad. It just is what it is. So I'm going to, check these out, listen to them, and further look at their condition. And I will post an update video on my experience with ordering a random lot of 20 vinyl albums off of eBay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please be sure to subscribe and like this video. Also check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap unless you get 20 vinyl records for less than $25.